All right, guys, just take a look at this. In the months of February, March, and April of 2024, Ripple and SEC will appear in court. In 2024, February, March, and April will be the dates of the Ripple and SEC court dates. On February, we'll be reviewing the remedies briefing in detail, laying the framework for any potential legal challenges to XRP sales. According to the experts, Ripple's July 2023 victory verdict was just a warm-up for a perhaps bigger 2024 triumph. In a recent YouTube video, crypto expert Zach Humphreys laid out the anticipated next steps in the long-running legal battle between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, which is scheduled to conclude in 2024. If Humphreys is to be believed, the company might feel the effects of this year's Ripple versus SEC verdict. On February 12, he declared there will be a thorough examination of the remedies briefing, which establishes the framework for the legal procedures. This expert highlighted the fact that Ripple's sales of XRP to institutional investors would be a major source of friction with the SEC. A federal court decision from July 2023 rejected the regulator's initial claims that XRP was a security. Meanwhile, there has been a recent uptick in activity surrounding cryptocurrencies, and it seems like this trend is extending to most alternative cryptocurrencies as well. This bodes well following a disastrous year in 2022. Investors who had been rewarded at the beginning of this year found themselves rolling back to deeper lows by the middle of the year. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies once again saw double-digit gains, with some seeing increases of more than 20 due to the enthusiasm around the approval of exchange-traded funds in the latter quarter of 2023. Tell me the exact situation with XRP coin right now. In the long term, XRP's prospects seem bright. However, before Ripple can go public, which is quite probable, a few issues must be handled. The current legal struggle with the SEC is expected to enter its collective appeals phase in the first half of this year, which is another way of stating it will take place in the medium term. Investors will suffer greatly as a result of this. While the cryptocurrency market as a whole is experiencing phenomenal growth, it would be disastrous for XRP to lose out on the last bull run due to the litigation's appeals process. No matter how many victories 2023 has brought, the possibility of XRP currency losing goals at the citadel of the SEC will remain until the collective appeals are settled. Beyond this, XRP coin's long-term success will depend heavily on Ripple's public selling strategy. If their interest in XRP coin wanes after it starts trading on US stock markets, XRP coin will find itself alone. On the flip side, if XRP coin were to become institutionalized, its utility would likely increase thanks to the previously mentioned smart contract capabilities in CBDC agreements. Its price potential is muted because a large portion of its maximum supply is still not in circulation. Anyway, it's annoying that hundreds of millions of dollars are only unlocked every so often. Forecast for the XRP coin's value, you can't get past the 65-cent supply zone. Most alternative cryptocurrency values quadrupled in December, even though the price is still above the 58-cent support level. The XRP coin price, meanwhile, has barely risen above 7 cents. The candles and tall elevated wicks indicate that many people are ready to make money. Price action may target the 737 range, which represents resistance. The next target will be the 9-cent resistance region in the parallel channel, which needs to be broken. A prominent attorney and XRP backer, Arame Hogan, recently gave the cryptocurrency community some much-needed advice. To reap the benefits of the anticipated cryptocurrency business surge in 2024, he stressed the importance of investors engaging in proactive tax preparation. Hogan stressed the importance of planning in helping investors maximize returns during the changing reign as part of his speech. Hogan's most recent piece of advice, which mostly aimed at American crypto audiences, stressed the significance of investors fully comprehending the tax implications of their investment strategy. In terms of taxes, he highlighted the importance of token holding duration, which improves the tax benefits for XRP holders whose tokens are subject to a reduced rate of 15. There is a 30 short-term tax rate on gains from tokens held for less than a year, according to the lawyer who highlighted the financial benefits of holding XRP for more than a year. Hogan went over a common practice among investors who would sometimes sell XRP to look at other coins and then reinvest the profits back into XRP. Although he admitted that such a strategy could be profitable, he cautioned against it due to the possible tax consequences. Despite XRP's recent underperformance compared to competitors like Solana and Cardano, long-term analysts and performance in the short-term VZs have stressed the importance of safeguarding long-term tax benefits over short-term gains. He warns that traders can face higher short-term tax rates if they temporarily withdraw from XRP, which could lead to the loss of long-term tax savings. Hogan urged investors to prioritize preserving their long-term tax benefits by being mindful of the unanticipated tax impacts associated with their trading decisions before wrapping up his comments. In light of the current market volatility and the abundance of investing opportunities, his emphasis is spot on regarding the importance of thorough and deliberate planning. Some believe the XRPF will inspire investors to put more money into the cryptocurrency market, while Hogan stresses the tax benefits of sticking with XRP. Will XRP's price benefit from the XRP? A prominent member of the XRP community, Chad Steengreber, has now published a detailed strategy roadmap that predicts the game-changing impact that ETF investing in XRP would have on the coin's value along the way. He highlighted the ETF's acquisition of XRP from public exchanges and the locking up of purchased tokens, making the prediction that XRP's market value will skyrocket due to a combination of falling supply and rising demand. He illustrated his point with a hypothetical scenario in which large entities like governments and institutions commit to the exchange-traded fund and plan to keep shares for many years. His research indicated that XRP's price could rise if demand remained high for an extended period of time and supply fell. He made reference to past market swings following the introduction of an ETF, suggesting that XRP's value could rise once a real ETF was confirmed. He brought attention to an earlier price spike of the ETF that happened in less than 30 minutes, ranging from 665 cents to more than 72 cents, after BlackRock had filed a misleading ETF application. All estimates, no matter how conservative, have pointed to a rise of at least $60,000. Thus, it's no surprise that the public is paying attention to these optimistic viewpoints, and many people are really considering increasing their Bitcoin investments. Considering that the current market price of XRP is only 0.62, the number of $352 may stretch the limits of current believability. Nevertheless, even this remarkable prognosis is insignificant when compared to the bold forecasts that say XRP might reach a price of $10,000, which appears to be like something out of a myth. According to the hypothesis of analysts such as Da Vinci Jeremy, the boundaries of potential with XRP are tantalizingly elastic, and they frequently avoid the constraints that are imposed by technical analysis. The analyst from the JWK show sheds light on the development of the alternative cryptocurrency environment by shifting from making specific predictions to taking a more comprehensive market perspective. By drawing comparisons to his historical pattern analysis, he indicates that the market is transitioning from an accumulation phase to the bullish throes of market excitement. He specifically makes reference to a scenario that occurred in 2019 that was comparable to this one and predicted a happy future for alternative cryptocurrencies. In a return to the focus on XRP, the analyst extols the importance of investing at the present moment, pointing to evidence that indicate an approaching trendline breakthrough following a hibernating period of 2 years. This achievement, in conjunction with an increase in the volume of transactions, serves as a precursor to the possibility of a price increase, which further fuels the optimism that exists within the XRP community. That's all for now.